Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit your picture without any editing applications on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is go into the photo library and decide which picture that we want to edit directly from this iPhone. So for example, let's edit this one. So I already choose the picture that I want to edit. So to edit this picture directly, you just need to go click edit. In the sections, you will have an access into several editing tools. Make sure that you stand in this side, and you can just choose what point that you want to change from the exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, and so on and so on. So you just need to adjust everything to make your picture fulfilling your expectations. I would like to make a reducing the exposure, but then increasing the brilliance as well as the highlights. I would like to decreasing the shadow so that there will be like a little bit more contrast, and for the contrast I would like to increasing for a little bit. And then for the brightness, I think I would like to bring it like too dark, and for the black point I would like to increase in it so that several black dots gonna like being more intense on it. And for the saturation, I would like to bring it into the left side. And for vibrancy, bring to the right side. And that's all. That's the point that's always I considers to editing my pictures without any editing application. So if you want to check the before and after, you just need to click and hold. So this is the before edit and this is the after edit. You can see the difference. It's look much more better, and after you're done, just need to click done and it will be auto saved on your gallery. So that's all. That's the way how to edit picture on iPhone. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.